if you see the now I got a message from 8790071316. So if you click on this, they are saying like, dear customer, your HDFC account has been blocked today, please update your PAN card. When I click on it, it is taking me to one HDFC page. Okay, and this is not genuine because the number whatever you are telling here, this number is a mobile number instead of a short code. In generally short code mean AX HDFC bank. The second message if you see at 8:56, this is from HDFC, but this is from personal number. Okay, and their link which they give is not HDFC link, but they are spamming. So if you check properly, if you try to edit it, you can see it's not HDFC net banking or HDFC.com kind of. Okay, and even if you see this net banking HDFC, so in general you have to check the net banking HDFC bank.com. This only you have to check, and the lock should be on here. And yeah, here the data, see the similar website they are doing here, but it's a fake website. Okay, so be careful with this kind of scams.